Welcome to Mitson.com, your hub for Udemy discount coupons up to 100%. Need top freelancers for your business? Mitson has got you covered. Also, connect with expert instructors for enriching online classes. Start learning and growing today with Mitson.com. Do like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my experience with a deep learning course on Udemy. Course objectives. The course is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to the field of deep learning, covering the theory and practical applications of this powerful machine learning technique. The objectives of the course include familiarizing students with the fundamental concepts of deep learning, including neural networks and deep neural networks. Providing hands-on experience with popular deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and Keras. Covering advanced topics such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Preparing students to apply deep learning techniques to solve real-world problems in fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Targeted audience. This course is suitable for anyone with a basic understanding of machine learning and programming, looking to gain a comprehensive understanding of deep learning and its applications. It is ideal for students, researchers, and professionals in the fields of computer science, artificial intelligence, and data science. Course content. The course is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of deep learning. The modules include Module 1. Introduction to Deep Learning. This module provides an overview of deep learning and its evolution from traditional machine learning techniques. Students will learn about the key components of neural networks and the concepts of deep learning. Module 2. Neural networks. In this module, students will delve deeper into the architecture and functioning of neural networks. They will learn about the activation functions, weights, and biases that define the behavior of neural networks. Module 3. Deep neural networks. This module focuses on deep neural networks, which are composed of multiple layers of neurons. Students will learn about the different types of layers, such as convolutional layers and recurrent layers, and how they are used to solve specific problems. Module 4. TensorFlow and Keras. Students will gain hands-on experience with the popular deep learning frameworks TensorFlow and Keras. They will learn how to build, train, and evaluate deep learning models using these frameworks. Module 5. Advanced topics. This module covers advanced topics such as CNNs and RNNs, which are specialized neural network architectures used for tasks like image classification and natural language processing. Overall impressions. I found the course to be well structured and comprehensive, covering all the essential topics in deep learning. The lectures were engaging and easy to follow, and the hands-on exercises provided a good opportunity to apply the concepts learned. The instructor was knowledgeable and provided clear explanations of the concepts, along with real-world examples to illustrate their applications. The course also had a strong focus on practical skills, with plenty of opportunities to work with TensorFlow and Keras. Conclusion. If you're looking to gain a strong foundation in deep learning and its practical applications, I highly recommend this course. With its comprehensive content and hands-on approach, you'll have all the skills you need to apply deep learning techniques to solve real-world problems. Remember, deep learning is a powerful tool in the field of machine learning, and this course is an excellent starting point.
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more information. See you in the next video.